Hi, you're looking up my setup to heat up my swimming pool, my above the ground swimming pool. The hose is hooked up to a sump pump, and then hooked up to this outdoor fire pit that I got for somewhere around $70 from Temu. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now it's a lot of heat being dissipated. The thing is, there's a lot of heat that are not going directly to the coil, the stainless steel coil. Now that coil is stainless steel, and that's for beer brewing. And so I got fire pit and the coil of stainless steel, and the water's running through it. And I put to add some type of efficiency in it, I put a pan cooking. I'm cooking something, boiling chicken and fish, and of course that I'm hoping that would also feed the heat back, because there's a lot of heat loss going on there. And to show you, the other end of that is where the water is being pumped back to the swimming pool. Yeah, it's a little warm. The last time I tried this, it took a few hours to feel the change in the temperature of the pool. But this is one way to pump heat to it. Now right now the water pump, or not sure if you can see that, the sump pump is being powered with from my house, but I set up a solar panel on my shed, and I need to add about 4 more solar panels, because right now it's just powering the filter on the pool. So hopefully I'll be running this completely from the energy of the sun. So there's the sump pump, and there's the water from that's being heated up, the heated water. Alright, I'll post another video, and I believe I have some more ideas to get this more efficient. Alright, talk to you guys there. Bye.